What if you stopped eating 3 days? If you stop eating for 3 days, your body undergoes significant changes as it shifts to survival mode. Initially, your body relies on glucose from stored glycogen in your liver and muscles for energy. However, glycogen stores are limited and typically depletes within 24 hours. Once depleted, your body starts breaking down fat reserved for energy through a process called ketosis, where fatty acids are converted into ketones, which can be used as alternative fuel, especially for the brain. During this time, you may experience various physical and mental symptoms. Commonly, you might feel weak, fatigued, dizzy, and lightheaded. Hunger pangs tend to be most intense within the first 24 to 48 hours, but may diminish as your body adapts to the lack of food. Mental effects can include irritability, difficulty concentrating, and mood swings, partly due to the brain adaptive to using ketones instead of glucose. As your body is deprived of calories, it begins conserving energy by reducing your metabolic activities, and this means your heart rate and blood pressure might decrease and you may feel cold more easily as your body tries to conserve energy. Additionally, muscles breakdown begins to supply the body with necessary proteins, leading to the gradual loss of muscle mass. While the body can survive without food for weeks, depending on various factors like body fats and overall health, going without food for 3 days is risky and can have harmful effects.